It's a combination of both a place that feels cozy, high-end, relaxed, and also a place of business as well. It's a great combination of a mix of being able to remind ourselves that it's not just about work-life balance, it's just about life. And this is a great place for that, to find that balance. Feels is not simply where we just get pampered, but it's the surrounding, it's the aesthetics, it's the atmosphere, and it's also a place of rest and relaxation. It's also a good place that inspires a lot of creativity because you're not on edge. It's also a place that is open so that it allows you to roam around. It gives both a sense of freedom, but also within a good, cozy container. It is like nothing else. I think that when people think of a mastermind, there's typically a standard format. It tends to be long. It tends to be pretty restrictive. In this case, there seems to be quite a bit of freedom, but also within a good structure. So I'd say go. The costs aren't really high, in terms of time, money, or anything else like that, but the payback's going to be pretty good. You're getting a lot out of it. I feel great. Again, it's like nothing I've had before. It's a good way to be able to get a lot of clarity, connect with amazing people, and be able to just, hang around and relax when need be. As a male myself, I tend to be trapped in the hustle culture, which is you're constantly working and taking no time for yourself. And I think for myself, I've always believed that. I never thought that taking rest really mattered that much. And I always thought rest was just sleep. That was good enough. But I think that really taking care of yourself, as in doing something that really helps unwind, such as a massage, can make a big difference. And it was the first time ever that I've done one. And as a result, I slept really well that night. And the next morning, I was so refreshed. I slept very deeply. I felt so refreshed that I probably had a week's worth of productivity done within a day. I didn't realize how much a reset of your body can reactivate the mind and be able to get you to be more productive than you thought. All I had to do was take a few hours that night, which resulted in probably 7x. Yeah, it would be 7x the productivity. So that's a high ROI if you want to talk in terms of number. So this embodies Diana's entire philosophy of to rest and relax so that you can become more productive. It's not being about being selfish and self-indulgent. It's so that you can take on the big challenges ahead. She has very good structure. She has good intuition about where your problems are, asks the great questions, and then walks you through certain exercises to dream bigger. I think, like any other coach, she'll be able to hone in on what issues you have, talk you through them, and based on her experience, her inside knowledge, and her domain expertise, guide you in the right direction. And also have a group of people that have already been there and who have different skills in order to piece them together. So I think her ability to do that in her way, which is both a combination of her superpower being intuitive, this nurturing, motherly type of vibe to her, is incredibly opening and inviting. And what that does is that allows you, she invites you to open up and share truly what you believe and what you want. She wants you to dream bigger for you than you would for yourself. And I think it's inspiring and loving at the same time. For those who actually don't know Diane, I actually recommend you speaking to her. She has clear vision about what it takes to meet your business needs to the next level. She's had 15 years in it, and coming here for her 15th anniversary of her business really shows her experience and the wonderful people she's curated. It's a great environment. I highly recommend it.